Thank you.
Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We're in Hungary, about 2 hours outside of Budapest. This is Fuge, substituting in for Muki. We got a great episode today. We got Appies with Chappy by the Lake Balaton edition. Beautiful lake here in Hungary. First up, we're going to have a little beer. What's wrong, Fuge? By the way, Fuge is Hungarian for little fig, and he's a beautiful little fig. All right, so I got some Meggy Ale. We'll give it a try in a second. It's local, made in Hungary. It's a cherry, unfiltered, highly fermented beer. A balanced taste that matches the ripeness of ale and juicy, sour cherry juice. So let's give it a try, shall we, Fuge? Oh, very refreshing, and you get full cherry flavor there. All right, so that's a Meggy Cherry Ale. And coming up next, Fuge and I are going to have Appies with Chappy by Lake Balaton. Alright, so this is my chicken korma wings. To start, now if you want to make it authentic, you're going to use ghee, which is a clarified butter. I just have regular butter. And then I really like this recipe because it doesn't have any ground spices. So we're just going to do some whole cardamom. And we got some bay leaves. And then I have some cinnamon sticks. I'll probably just do 2 cinnamon sticks. All the flavors get released into the butter. Then we're gonna add my garlic ginger paste, and I'm gonna cut up a couple white onions. All right, I got the cloves from 1 head of garlic and a nice big nub of cut up ginger. And we're gonna make a ginger garlic paste. So I just put that in the little blender. We're gonna add a little bit of water. We're going to waz that up, and then I'm going to add that to the frying pan after the 2 diced onions. So we'll get this all wazzed up, and it'll be a nice paste. All right, everything's getting toasty. So we're going to add the onions. This is 2 medium-sized white onions diced. I could have diced them a little finer, but I got a little lazy there. And then we're going to add a good amount of salt just to sweat out the onions there. You can really smell the spices coming together. And this is going to be almost like a stew where the longer it sits, like if it sits a few days, it's just going to taste better. So we're going to cook the onions for about 10 minutes till they're translucent, and then I'm going to add the garlic and ginger paste. All right, I got the ginger garlic paste all wazzed up. We're going to add that. Smells wonderful. Okay, now we got some nice chicken drummies. think I'll probably cover it and cook it for a couple hours. Alright, there's your chicken korma chicken wings for Appies with Chappy by the Lake Balaton edition. So we'll get these in a bowl and let's go check out that lake. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.